What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. It's a beautiful day. This is spring day here, boy. This is spring day. I know other folk might not say it, but I think their weather gone, man. Cold weather gone. Boy, this whole week is fine. This whole week about to be lit. Good weather. I'm finna pull up on Jesse, man. I'm finna go to Lolly car. I gotta drop the hoodies off. Even though it won't look, I'm dropping the hoodies off. I suppose, man, I done had these things. Man. I don't know. Them Jmalcom 2004 hoodie, man. I done had them things probably a good month. Every time I get ready to go down there, I forget them. And then it was a whole box of them. I had to separate them and organize them and all that. But I'm hopping at R&B today. I had Dolo out for a split second just to shoot a skit. We took it out just to shoot a skit. I'm trying not to drive it, cause I might take it to the track Sunday or Friday, one of them days. I don't know. I gotta see. Sunday or Friday, I'm gonna take it out on that's what it's set up for. I probably won't be taking the rims off the car too many more times, because now Meech here. Meech was my radio slick car, slick box Chevy, and this was for rims. That's what it's for. So it's set up for wheels, suspension set up for wheels, and everything else. So that's what I'm running on, and I still haven't achieved my goal I want to achieve on these wheels. So now I'm locked in on these. I'm about to dial in for real. I'm dialed in on motor. I'm gonna dial in on nitro. So y'all gonna be seeing a lot of nitro hits on this thing now, on the rim. So yeah, we got that coming. But we're finna pull old R&B out. Let me put these in the trunk. R&B, man. It's so pretty. I want to ride on the wheels today instead of having Grandma Nana out putting around. So we finna put these. Let me crank this thing up. Head, man, y'all ain't. She be sounding good. I gotta go to the gas station too. I can't run out of gas. Ooh, she sounding good. Ooh, she sounds so good. Oh Lord, we finna ride, boy. We finna ride. Talking, boy. I gotta take her to the track. I don't know. I might go to the track 2 times this week. It depends on how I'm feeling, man. Cause I want to take them to the track on the slick. I don't know. Then I need to holler at Jesse. See when we can bring meats, man. I'm ready to get meat done. So yeah, man. Let's go to the gas station. Let's go down here and see what Jesse got. See what Lolly working on. And I'm turning y'all back on. All right, y'all, we're checking in, man. It's the next day. Me and wife about to get their workout in, and then I gotta holler at y'all about something that happened yesterday. That we might be a little slow on the vlog, but they're gonna keep coming. I'm gonna tell y'all what's going on. Well, y'all see the title anyway, but I'm gonna holler at y'all, tell y'all exactly what happened. But we're gonna put some of the workout in first, so they get it. All right, y'all, see it. It's the next day. Me and wife out here getting in. I'm gonna put some of the workout in here, cause I gotta holler at y'all about something that happened yesterday. Put y'all up to speed. But we're gonna see wifey get this set in right quick.
So you had a bit of assistance.
I got you. Help her get it started, and I'm turning y'all back on. There you go. 3. 5. 2 more. 1 more. All right. Y'all see, what you using 45, ain't
Yeah, 45 weeks.
Wifey is using heavier weights the whole workout than me. And for a reason, man, I'm gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna get this set in though. Come on. One more. That's it. All right, we're checking in, man. So we just got finished wrapping up the workout. And man, yesterday, now let me tell y'all a little background on me. Now I love cars, but I love the gym too. I love working out, love lifting heavy, lifting weights, this and that. I have been doing it for years. I took a break. Man. All throughout school, I like lift weight stuff, but I took a break from lifting, and like I said, I had gained weight. Which a lot of people follow on Facebook know that, man. I lost it. I knocked it off. I got serious. I lost 76 pounds in how much was it? 76 pounds in 180 days the first time. Working out, I started missing days. When you start missing days, it lead to missing all days. So then, like I said, relapse, gained the weight back. Then I lost it, and I ain't never gained it back after that. I lost it, man. I did 102 pounds or something in 180 days, man. I lost that much weight. But like I said, now the size I'm at is where I stay. I've been like this for a couple years now. And it's because I like to stay this size, the way I train my program and this and that. I wasn't never trying to be super lean and cut. That's just not my thing. I've done it, but that's not my thing. I'm this side because I live heavy. Like I said, I train for strength and to be in shape, which I am. So, you know, years of training, and yesterday I finally had caught my first injury. I never had an injury lifting, and it wasn't due to the weight I was lifting. A lot of people say you're gonna start hurting and this and that. You're gonna hurt this and hurt that if you keep lifting heavy. People told me that 10 years ago. I was supposed to have been hurt 15 years ago. Well, I was supposed to have been hurt good 5 years ago with people telling me I was supposed to not be no good, but I'm in the best shape of my life. And yesterday, man, and this is what I preach to people about lifting. It's not the weight you're lifting, it's how you lift it. And you can lift 10 pounds off the ground, man. If you turn the wrong way, it will injure you. Same effect. And man, I was deadlifting yesterday. Me and wife were deadlifting. I was going for a new PR of 575 pounds. Picked it up, got it up to my knee. I almost crossed my knee line. And that's when I really started pulling, man. And I must have jumped out of shape, got out of line somewhere on my left side. And I felt something. Felt like I was gonna pop my hip out. And I stopped and I put the weight down, man. I went down to the ground. But I didn't pop my hip out the socket. It just felt like that. But something tweaked right there in my hip. My left hip, something tweaked, and then it went all through my lower back, man, because you know all this stuff connected. My first thought, cause I do know health. I know health and wellness too. I don't talk about it on here, but I do know this stuff. Nutrition, human anatomy, the body and stuff. So my first thought is I hope I didn't pop a disc and pinch a nerve. Cause now if you do that, yeah, you'll have back problems forever. And that's stuff where you got to talk about having surgery, man, back disc. It's probably gonna be somebody comment say, yeah, I got bad disc in my back. But people think, you know, you'll develop those injuries and stuff like that are happening by weight training. I know so many people that have popped discs in their back. It wasn't through weight training. It's because they was lifting improper. If you're doing improper lifting on everyday stuff, you can do that. You don't even got to be weight training. Form is everything. So that's why I went years and not had injury. And I finally caught my first injury yesterday, and it wasn't nothing like, you know, your back and your hips and stuff. It ain't no joke, man. So for the first 3 hours, man, I was in pretty extreme, I'm gonna say discomfort. It ain't pain because it was bearable. I was in good spirit. But it was pain slash discomfort. It was more discomfort than anything, man. I couldn't lay on nothing. Couldn't stand up. It like no position felt okay, no release. So finally I started getting up, walking real slow, moving real slow, and it started loosening up my back. You know, when you deadlift anywhere, you training lower back, your back tighten up, your muscles tighten up because you working the muscle. But long story short, man, it got so uncomfortable, I went to urgent care. So I went to urgent care, man, and I was telling wife, I was like, man, I hope they give me a shot. I need a shot because when you got something like, if you break a bone or a muscle strain or tear, it ain't nothing. There's nothing you can take to like fix it. It got to fix itself. Or if it's too extreme, that's when surgery get involved. So all you can do is mask the pain. So I was like, I hope they give me a shot to mask the pain or whatever. So, you know, I can sleep decent the rest of the night. And they gave me everything I needed. Went to urgent care, had an x-ray done. I told them I want an x-ray. So I had an x-ray done, man. Everything cool. I ain't popped no bone or none of that. But I felt like it was some inflammation. And the doctor agreed with me. She said I probably got some inflammation, which I felt that immediately. I said, I think I got inflammation. I was telling wife. And yeah, man, it done slowed me down. It done slowed me down for right now. But like I said, we still out here. I can't. This the next day. This the next day after that happened, man. We got a workout in. But I'm telling people to say this. Like, I want to show and be transparent with y'all, which I posted on Facebook too. But I like to tell people, don't let nothing hinder you from what you love. You know, a lot of people talk about Ronnie Coleman. Y'all know Ronnie Coleman, pro bodybuilding stuff, man. I salute his work ethic and stuff. He a legend, but Ronnie Coleman, he used to lift them big heavy weight stuff, and you know, he used a walking stuff now. But I remember him looking at a video of him squatting 800 pounds. That man said, they said, you got any regrets? That man said, the only thing I regret is not going for 2 extra reps. And see, I get what he's saying, man. Don't stop what you love. It's the same thing if people go out in these cars, you have an accident on the track, and then you come back, you recover, and you go right back at it, man, because you love it. So it's the same thing with these weight, man. It can happen at any time. And if you're an athlete, and you are an athlete your whole entire life, or you into physical fitness, something's gonna happen sooner or later. Something's gonna happen, man. So I'm slow. I'm moving slow, man. It kind of messed up, cause like I said, I had plans on going to track, but I just can't. I don't know how standing and stuff gonna be. I have to see how day 3 go. I got me some medicine and stuff I got to take, prescribed, and stuff I got to do, stretches, which I knew that anyway. I was already ahead of the doc. She was like, oh, you already been doing? I said, yeah, I've been doing them stretches. I did them right after having me and wife. And man, it just rough. I'm slow right now, slow motion, man. Like, this workout took a long time, and I put a little video clip of wife helping me and stuff. I can't sit up. I can't sit up off the bench without assistance. If it wider, I could turn, and then I can lean up from my stomach and take the pressure out of my leg and get up. But with the benches, I couldn't sit up. So I told wife I want to capture that. And I put a video on Facebook. I want to capture that for her. Because it's a memory, I said, my first injury. And the next day, I'm still out here. But in my, like, having her, like we talked about off the camera, I was like, man, it's crazy because if she wasn't into weight training, I would still want to come out here and get it in. But I probably wouldn't be able to train. I did test today because if she ain't in weight training, I mean, or like I said, she wasn't strong. Ain't no small dude. Just being able to help me up out the bench. You know, every set that I lay down, she had to help. She pulled me up out the bench so I can get it done, man. And it ain't nothing like having a woman that's down for you, like a real partner. And I gotta shout her out because she been such a big help, man. Like, just taking care of me and all that. Especially yesterday, I really was pretty much immobile, man. Like, I couldn't move. Medicine helping a little bit, the shot help. And you know, it's just gonna be a road to recovery, man. I'm slow. I'm slow motion right now, like my walking and stuff. I can't walk fast, can't run, none of that, none of things of that nature. I can't just real stretch. Like real far, like stretch and get on my tippy toes. See, I felt something then. Because it's a healing process. The body got to heal and stuff. And then, you know, you just got to take it easy, man. So, like I said, the vlogs, man, they might be a little slow motion depending on how I feel with driving and all this stuff, man. I got to recover too. But I will keep y'all some shorts coming. I got a bunch of shorts people ain't seen. I'm gonna have y'all some content coming, man, cause I really appreciate y'all and I love y'all and all that. And I look forward to tuning in with y'all every day, reading comments, and somebody gonna drop something that make me laugh in the comments or something, or make me smile, you know, or make me appreciate what I'm doing and all of that, man. But I want to keep y'all up to date, cause I really did hurt myself, man. Like, make me move different. It got me moving different right now, but I ain't down and out now. I ain't down and out. I ain't in no bad spirit. Like, I still cracking jokes and all that stuff. But the fact of the matter is, it slowed me down, man. I am moving in slow motion. It's hard to do stuff right now. I can't, like I said, I can't walk fast, limping. It's and it just, like I said, it's a process, man. You gotta trust the process, man, and this and that. So, I'm gonna have some stuff coming, man. I got some parts ordered and all that. So, I'm gonna do what I can at this moment and work around this, and hopefully get better by the day, stronger by the day. And the good thing about that, I said, man, anytime something happens, if it ain't extreme, it's something the body can repair itself, I'm gonna be better. I'm gonna come back better. And at 575, I got to have it. I told wife I got to have it. My goal was to hit 600-pound deadlift this year. And for the record, like I said, I'm completely natural. I never used any enhancements, no type of drugs. I don't even use creatine. I never use none of that. I don't use no powder. The only thing I use is pre-workout. I take pre-workout sometimes when we doing big compound lifts. Both of us will use the pre-workout. I think my wife did a video on what we use. And that's it. We don't use whey protein, which is protein powder, grass-fed cows, grass-fed protein. But I never use any enhancers or none of that. Everything, what I have achieved in the gym is just natural strength. But it takes years of training to achieve that, man. Like, to achieve some of the numbers, it really takes years of training to do it naturally. I mean, I'm not knocking nobody that's not natural, because they still got to put in work. It's just the fact of the matter, you get stronger than you're humanly able to do naturally. So when you see people doing them freakish lifts and stuff, you be like, ain't no way. It probably not. They probably on something, which ain't like I said, I'm not knocking nobody. Unless they big, body weight, strength is based on body weight too. The bigger a person is, like if they just heavier weight, 300 and stuff, and they train and stay 300, they're gonna be able to do more. So a human strength is based on the body weight they had. That's why I like to sit at this body weight. If I go lower, you only can do so much. Your body just only capable of doing so much. It's just facts. It takes years of training. So like I said, I'm proud. 600 was my goal. That's a big, impressive number to be natural. And that's my goal. I'm going to hit it this year. I told wife, and she know how I get down. I said, hey, I don't let them fold me up past 3 times, man. And I said, this weight done folded me up. This weight done struck me out twice and then folded me up the 3rd time. I was like, so next time, I ain't even putting 575 on the ball. I'm going straight to 600. I'm going to be strong enough to do it. Cause I'm going to train, I'm going to go hard, man, after the road to recovery. But I'm just doing light right now. Like I said, it was light day. A lot of repetitions for me. Wife was lifting heavier than me today. Every exercise, but I got to take it easy, man. And like I said, that don't mean stop. Sit still. So, yeah, that's what I did, man. So, that's what it is. So, I'm finna get with y'all, man. I'm going to have y'all stuff coming, so y'all just stay tuned. I really appreciate y'all. And we out. BCG, we out.